Mm. So anything sticky? The back won't be sticky if it gets hair on the back. So that's why I put it there. This is always cool.
There you go.
The porcupine is gonna be easy. And look, she's a girl.
Cool.
They have different earrings. She has the best earrings. Walkers are her earrings.
Wow, that's cool.
She has cool earrings.
Do you want me to help you?
Oh, okay. Let me just tell you one thing. She has ring earrings, which that's really funny. Ring earrings are the funniest. I think when I get the backpack off, it'll come off of her. She looks rockstar spectacular. She's like a rockstar spectacular. Oh, I got it out.
You want me to help you get him out?
No, I can do it.
Alright, I'm gonna pause it for a sec.
Okay. I like it when you say, wait, you can. Wait, not yet. That's funny when you say, wait, not yet. After you say, yes. Hey, there's a sequence. I like making Monster High people talking video.
Okay, you don't have to.
Here. She has a cool purse. She has this bracelet that are bracelets like that?
Yeah.
These are bracelets?
Are they bracelets?
No. It looks like one because it's all stuck together. Hey, she doesn't have a bracelet. Because these things move up and down. Bracelets don't do that. Well, doll bracelets, you can take them off. Why do they have a pet porcupine?
I don't know, that's a good question.
They can't touch it, see? Watch. Once you touch it. Oh! What's her name? Oh, Clawdeen Wolf. And what's her name?
Howleen wolf.
Yeah, Howleen Wolf. What's this thing?
What?
This.
Shirt?
No, this blue thing with buttons.
Oh, I don't know. A sash or something?
Yeah, maybe a sash. What's a sash?
It's like a decoration on your clothes.
Oh, sash. Sash rash. Sash rash. Hey, sash rash rhymes.
You're right.
Sash rash. Sash rash. Sash rash rhymes. Yeah, look at this.
Neat.
This is a shirt and this is a pants. She has more like a dress and a shirt. I mean, a skirt that goes all the way to here. A skirt that goes all the way to there and that doesn't come down. Can I take her shoes off? She has shoes that doesn't have holes like this. These ones. Like like these ones have holes so you can see one of her socks at the bottom where her foot is.
Right. You want me to take them off for you to fit in the backpack?
I think he does. Let's see. He can be like their art and stuff.
Oh,
He
cool.
can be like all their stuff. Nope, he won't fit because I can't open this backpack too wide.
Oh.
Yeah, like that, like that. Can I see the mattress?